This is the letter V. V is a letter in the alphabet. The V makes this sound. I put my teeth on the bottom of my lip. V. V makes the V sound like volley, van, vegetables, and Vans. It's a type of shoe. I'll let you guys hear the V song in a little bit. This is the letter V. Good. So today we're going to talk about foods. We're going to talk about healthy foods and unhealthy foods. And we're going to talk about what that means. What do you guys think healthy means? What does healthy? Okay. What are some things you can do to stay healthy? You can eat healthy. You can eat good foods. You can run. You can exercise. Yeah, those are ways that we can stay healthy. While eating foods is very, very important for us. So we're going to call those go foods. Go foods are foods that we can eat all the time. These are foods that mean go. Yeah, go ahead and eat them. They are good for your body. Then we're going to talk about unhealthy foods. We call those woe foods. Woe foods are only foods you can eat a little bit of, or not so much, right? We only want a little bit in every once in a while, though they're okay to have. So foods that are healthy, we're going to talk about some of those. We're going to talk right now about fruits. Some healthy foods are in the fruit group. We have apples, oranges, strawberries, peaches, blueberries, pears, bananas, and kiwi. Those are all fruits. Can you say fruits? Good. Some healthy foods are in the vegetable group. We have lettuce, cucumber, carrots, peppers, broccoli, and corn. Can you say vegetable? Good job, vegetable group. These are healthy foods too. Some healthy foods are in the grain group. Here are some grains. Tortillas, bread, rice, macaroni, cereal, and some crackers. We call those grain groups. That is from all different grains make these. I like eating bread. Do you guys like eating bread too? Some healthy foods are in the meat group. These are some meats. I have some steaks on the grill. Ooh, look at these, some hot dogs, chicken. We have some fish, and here's some ham or some pork. Those are all from the meat group. And then some healthy foods are in the dairy group. So we have milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter. Those are all from the dairy group. Those we get from some animals, don't we? So we're going to play a little game, okay? I need to show you this first. This is the bottom. This is called a pyramid. So at the bottom, this is really, really big down here. At the bottom, we can eat lots and lots of food down here. And then we can eat some more food, less and less. But when we get to the top, this right here, we want to eat very little of this food up here. Okay, so I'm going to show you. We can use this pyramid shape to help us study about healthy food. So we have lots of fruits and vegetables down here. Look at all of those. They're at the bottom. So that means that it's bigger down there. You can eat a lot more of those. Those are really good for your body. Up here, it gets a little bit smaller. You can eat a little bit less of those. We have some we have some meat, and we have some grain. And then right up here, we have our dairy group. You can have 2 or 3 servings of those a day. And then at the top, you see this little candy? That is probably our woe foods. That is food we do not want to eat a lot of. It's mostly unhealthy food is like made up of fat and sugar. And do you know what fat and sugar does? It doesn't make our body. It doesn't help our body in any way. So all that unhealthy food, what does that sugar do? Did you know that sugar slows you down? It slows your body down a little bit. And even some of the fat, like French fries, those are full of lots of fat because they make them in some fat. And so those are not healthy for our bodies. It makes us slower. It is not good for our brain. It doesn't help our brain. So those are foods we want every once in a while. We don't want to eat a lot of them. Okay, let's play our game. Can you help me name a food to stay healthy? Cookies or apples? I'm going to put this X over. Oh, I'm going to put it over the cookies. Cookies are an unhealthy food. They're a woe food. We only want a little bit of cookies, right? We can eat a lot more apples, and those are going to help our bodies. Can you name a food that will help you stay healthy? Carrots or chocolate? Well, I love chocolate. But I know chocolate has a lot of sugar in it. And I'm going to put that over there because it is not healthy for my body. Sandwich or a donut? I love sandwiches, but I also love donuts. Which one do you think will help you stay healthy? Look at all these vegetables on here and meat and dairy and from the grain group. Do you know what this has? It's made up of a lot of sugar and there's some fat in there too. So I'm going to put this over here because I know donuts are a woe food. We can only have them once in a while. Can you name the food that will help you stay healthy? Which one? Milk or soda? You're right, milk will help us stay healthy. It is from the dairy group. We can have food from the dairy group. Soda is made up of a lot of sugar, and it's not good for our teeth or our skin. So we only can have a little bit of soda, right? We have to make sure we stay healthy. So we want to drink this, which is really great for our bones. It helps us stay healthy. So eating the right food keeps us very, very healthy. Okay, so I'm going to send something home and I want you to see if you can help me sort healthy and unhealthy foods. All right, thanks for joining me. Bye.